and then another hand try. There you go.
You're gonna hold on to me, and you can.
Yep.
Yeah, and then just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you can do the other.
It's really cool. Yeah. I love that.
You wanna try this?
Hold on, here. Yeah. So, wait, hold on.
Yeah.
So, yeah, but here's the thing now. So now that like you're there, so now we can play all of these sounds together in your own power.
Yeah.
So like, we need more free hands, I think. So you have free hands, right? So here, if I grab another arm, there we go.
Oh, I like it. It's coming together.
Awesome. Okay.